Here I am at the AURA3D booth. AURA3D specializes in large format printing. This is their beautiful resin machine, the 16K AURA Pro 1. This is a pellet printer. I have talked to Zora and AURA3D. It does sound like they are interested in introducing a smaller, more consumer level pellet 3D printer. Hello, how are you?
Hi, great. And you?
Good, hi, I'm Greg. What's your name?
Yeah, Carrie from AURA.
Hi, Carrie.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
They were just explaining to me how filament costs could be $18 to $20 on a spool, whereas pellets could be $2 or $3 per kilogram. When your filament cost is $2 or $3 per kilogram compared to $18 or $20 per kilogram, or even $10 or $12 on the lower end, this equals tremendous cost savings when printing large furniture-sized 3D models.
有掌位在那